What's good, everybody? Crypto God NYC here, back with another tutorial. We about to catch this Vanar Vanguard Testnet airdrop. I don't know if it's true or not, but word on the block is there will be an airdrop. So the first thing you want to do is go on the website in the description. Make sure you got a MetaMask connected to your Internet Explorer or whatever you're using, and click Add Vanguard Testnet to your MetaMask. All right, so we're gonna switch this network. And then now we should be on that network. Yep, we're on the network. And how can we tell? Is if we click right here, it's going to say that we're on a Vanguard network. Cool. So this is what we want to do. We want to copy this address and we want to paste it. Every 6 hours, you want to claim this crypto. The reason why is you want to complete the task so you could get the airdrop, right? So boom, we're about to collect this funds, and now we got the funds. Let's make sure that we got the funds, right? Boom, it just got in. Yeah, let's go. Cool. Now we're gonna click test now. Now we're gonna click connect wallet. You want to connect your wallet. It's gonna take a little minute to load. Boom, we're connecting. Now it's going to ask you to create a username. We're going to put Crypto God NYC2. All right. Submit. Sign. Now we're almost done. No, we're not. Boom. We used the faucet already. Right now we have to connect to this Bazaar marketplace. Right. So we want to click right here. And hold on. Let me allow pop-ups. Boom, it takes us to the marketplace, and we want to connect our wallet. Connect MetaMask, click next, click connect, click sign. Now you're in. Right now we want to collect a little bit of the funds, right? We want to collect some money from the faucet every 6 hours so we could do the next thing, right? So the next thing that you want to do is we want to go on Bazaar and make a purchase. Right, so we're gonna make a purchase. I found this collection right here. Hopefully I could buy now. Costs 1 Vanry. All right, cool. Make this transaction, confirm. All right, cool. All right, let's see. Did I buy it? I want to know if I bought it or not, man. You know, hold on, let's refresh. Scroll down, connect wallet, go down, hold on, let me go down this way right here. Cool, we bought our first NFT. Right now we want to sell an NFT on the Bazaar network, Bazaar website. All right, so cool, let's click on the NFT and put for sale. All right, we want to list it for two Bazaar or whatever. Right, we want to complete this transaction, approve, sign. Now we listed it, refresh. Now we're done. Right now it says create and deploy a new NFT collection on the Bazaar network. Mint at least 1 NFT into that collection. All right, cool. Let's see if I have enough money to do that. I might not. Let's see how much funds we got up in here. We have a 0.9. Yeah, we might be able to do it. So boom, first thing you want to do when you're minting an NFT, you want to create the collection. So we're going to create this little collection real quick. It's going to be random pictures. Lots of random pictures going on here. All right, lots of random pictures going on. Cool. LOL, symbol LOL, the title LOL, and I'm gonna make it my website, moles.com, add royalty, make it my own contract address, copy this, paste this here. I want 50% value. It can only be 10%. Cool. Make it 10%, right? Fuck it. Boom. What category? This is an art right here, bro. Continue. Oh no, we can't deploy the contract yet, but that's how you deploy a collection. And then after that, you would click right here, single, and then upload the NFT into the collection. Then you completed all the tasks to complete the Vanar Vanguard Testnet. Make sure you like, comment, and share for all this information.